Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the rest part of the lesson Urban Administration in part 2 from page number 60. The children asked. No adult asked her about her job, and the children's questions provided her an opportunity to relive some of her experiences. Means here you can see the children are asking question to Yasmin Khala. The adults are not asked, but the children are asking, and she got an opportunity to share her experiences. Next paragraph, but the city is so large, it must take a lot of people to look after it. Thus, the municipal corporation have a lot of workers, asked Shankar curiously. Means now Shankar is also very excited and he also asking question regarding the municipal corporation. And what is the question over here, student? Does the municipal corporation have a lot of workers? He had by now luckily forgotten about the cricket match and his incomplete over. Who? Shankar. Yasmin Khala, yes, the work in the city is divided into different departments. Yasmin Khala gave the answer for the question that the work in the city is divided into different departments. So there is the water department, the garbage collection department, a department to look after the gardens, another to look after roads. Students, underline all the different departments. Means you can understand that municipal corporation of the city, they divide the departments in different manner. I worked on accounts in the sanitation department. Who worked in the sanitation department? Yes, Yasmin Khala, said Yasmin Khala, and then went on to offer the children some kebabs to eat. Means here with the questions and answer party is also there. What party? Kebab party. Now here Jahangir ate his kebabs at top speed, and as he wolfed them down, he asked loudly from the kitchen. Means now Jahangir is ate up all the kebabs so speedily like a wolf. And after that also questions are arriving in front of Yasmin Khala. Now next question is what? Let's we see. Yasmin Khala, where does the garbage that the municipal corporation collects go to? What is the question over here, student? Where does the garbage that the municipal corporation collects go to? The other was still eating when Yasmin Khala began to answer. Now again Yasmin Khala is ready to give an answer for the question. But they are busy in eating also, but they are ready to listen the answer also. This question has an interesting answer. As you know, you can usually find garbage lying all over the street. You maybe have seen that mostly garbage is lying all over the street. Earlier even, our neighborhood used to have garbage lying all over, and if this remained uncollected, it attracts dogs, rats and flies. Yes or no, students? Yes, because you can see that where the garbage are lying, there the animals get attracted of it. And of course, people also get ill from the bad smell. At one point, things become so bad that the children even stop playing cricket in the street because their parents were afraid that they do get sick from staying on the street too long. These are the disadvantages of garbage lying all over the street. Now what happened in the rest part? Just take a look. The next part is given a community protest. Means here the community is there. Main community protest means there are the group of peoples who gather together and go and fight, or they raise their voice against the issues. That is called the protest, or a simple form is rally. Yasmin Khala continued. The women were very unhappy about the situation and even came to me for advice. I said I could try and speak with some officer in the department, but I wasn't sure how long it would take. Means here some ladies are there, some women are there who are very unhappy because of this garbage situation. So they came for advice to Yasmin Khala. Now Yasmin Khala tried to speak with them, and they means the Yasmin Khala not very sure, but she advised them that I am going to talk about this situation with the officer. As we have seen in the above paragraph, there are different departments, so the different officers are available for the different departments. Then it was Gangabai who said that it is the ward councillor who we should go to and protest, since we are the one who. Means you have understand that municipal corporation of the city having a ward councillor. So among them women's only, the one lady was there whose name Ganga Bai. She spoke with the others one that what we have to do, we have to go and meet to the ward councillor. As we go and meet to the ward councillor and we discuss about our situation. Once who elected him, she gathered a small group of women and went to his house. The Gangabai explained all the group of women that we should go and meet to the ward councillor as we are only elected him. So they all are gathered and they went to his house. They began shouting slogans in front of his house. When the protests are there, community group of peoples are raising their voice, they say the slogans. So all the women, they shouted slogans in front of the house, and he came out and asked them what was wrong. As the voice get increased, the slogans get increased by all the women, what happened? The ward councillor person, he came out of the house and he asked them what was wrong. Gangabai described the situation in the locality to him. Now Gangabai explained all the problems to the ward councillor. Then after listening them, he promised to go with them the next day to meet the commissioner. So the ward councillor, he promised to the women that next day I am going to meet the commissioner. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all of the adults in the locality saying that garbage was not being collected. Means ward councillor explained Gangabai that you should go in your locality and get signed the petition by all the adults people. He suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them the next day. After that, the ward councillor suggested them that next day he will take a engineer also with him. Might be a good idea. The sanitation engineer could also speak with the commissioner. Means he was not going alone, but he is taking sanitation engineer also with him to speak with the commissioner and tell him how bad the situation was. That evening, children ran from house to house making sure that as many families as possible signed the petitions. Means there also some children was there and they are ready to go house to house to sign the petitions by many families. So, next morning, a large group of women and the ward councillor and the sanitation engineer went to the municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group and began giving excuses saying that the corporation did not have enough trucks. Means here the ward councillor is there, The group of women are there, and even the sanitation engineer also are there. And they all together went to the municipal corporation office. And they met commissioner over there. So what happened? After saying all the problem, the commissioner explained them and gave them excuses that the corporation did not have enough trucks. But Gangabai smartly replied. Now among them only Gangabai was there, and Gangabai smartly replied to the commissioner. What she replied? But you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from the rich localities. She explained the commissioner. Yes, that you have enough trucks to collect garbage from the rich localities. That must have left him lost for words, quipped Jahangir. Jahangir explained, Jahangir asked Yasmin Khala, that must have left him lost for words. Means commissioner has no words to speak in front of the Gangabai. Yes, Yasmin Khala replied to Jahangir. Yes, he said that he would take care of it immediately, and Gangabai threatened that if it was not done in 2 days, a larger group of women would protest in front of the corporation, said Yasmin Khala. Miss Yasmin Khala explained the Rihanna and her friends that Gangabai threatened the commissioner. Means she warned the commissioner that if it was not done in 2 days, what will happen? A large group of women would protest in front of the corporation. So, did the street get clean? Asked Rihanna, who never let things remain unfinished. Now, after listening all the things, all the story, Rihanna asked Yasmin Khala that did the street get clean? Yasmin Khala replied, well, not within 2 days, and then after another larger and more noisy protest, the sanitation service in this locality became more regular. Not in 2 days, but again the protest was in a large group. And after that, the sanitation service in this locality became more regularly. Means not in 2 days, but in few days it was done by the sanitation service. And now they are doing every time, means regularly to that locality. Wow, this sounds just like a Bollywood film with a happy ending. Somebody replied from them only कि now the story is ending like a Bollywood film with a happy ending. So to be free and maybe free. Now on this same page only, students, you can see the blue color box. What has changed since Khala retired? This is the question. What Yasmin Khala did not mention to the children was that in recent times, in order to save money, the commissioners of several municipalities across the country had hired private contractors to collect and process garbage. Underline these all lines. The commissioner of several municipalities across the country had hired private contractors. Why to hire the private contractors? To collect and process garbage. This is called subcontracting. What it is called? Subcontracting. If question is asked what is subcontracting, you can give the answer. This means that the work that was earlier being done by government workers is now being done by a private company. So you can understand the difference. Government workers, whichever work was not done by government, that all work is now being done by a private company. So that is called private contractors or subcontracting. This contract workers get paid less and their jobs are temporary. Governments are having permanent job, but the private contractors having temporary job, and they get a less pay also for it. So, collecting garbage is also quite a dangerous job, and often these contract workers do not have any access to safety measures and are not taken care of if they are injured while working. Said Mala, who already began imagining herself in the lead role of Gangabai. The children enjoyed hearing Gangabai's story immensely. Means you have already seen in the last page 61 about the story of Gangabai. And because of her story, Mala already began imagining herself in the lead role of Gangabai. They had sensed that Gangabai was much loved and respected, and now they understood why. And because of all the story, Mala and her group understand why Gangabai was much loved and respected, and why everyone understood her. They got up and thanked Khala for answering their questions, and then before they left, now full story was be over, and in end all the friends thanked to Khala for answering their questions. Rihanna said, "Oh, I have one last question, Khala." But Rihanna's question is not end. One last question is still there for Khala. The 2 dustbins that we have at home now, are they also Gangabai's idea? What is the question of Rihanna? The 2 dustbins that we have at home now, are they also Gangabai's idea? Khala began laughing. Khala started laughing for the question. And she replied, "No, not really." Means that is not the idea of Gangabai. The municipal corporation was the one who suggested that we do this to help keep our street clean. Means who suggested about the 2 dustbin? You have seen, na? There are different colored dustbin. Black, yellow, red. Yes or no? And you maybe know about it very clearly. So, who suggested this? The municipal corporation. Why? To keep street clean. When we sort our own garbage, it reduces their work. Means everyone should be separate the garbage of their particular house. Means it reduces the work. How to separate the dry garbage in a different dustbin and wet garbage in a different dustbin. The children thanked Khala and walked back down the street together. And after that, everyone once again thanked to the Khala, and they back to the street down. It had become quite late and they needed to get back home. For some reason, the street seemed darker than usual. They looked up and then looked at each other, smiling, and ran right back to Khala's house. Means every story is over. They understand the work of a municipal corporation. They understand the work of a councillor, ward councillor, plus the duties of the ward councillor, community protest, then the commissioner work, administrative work, and plus they understand the story of Gangabai. The blue color again is given. I am going to explain you. The city of Surat had a plague scare in 1994. Surat was one of the dirtiest cities in India. You may be heard also about this. Houses, hotels and restaurants would dump their garbage into the nearest drain or street, which made it very difficult for sweepers to collect and transfer the garbage into selected dumps. In addition to this, the municipal corporation did not collect the garbage as often as it should have, and this led to the situation getting worse. What happened over there? Because of the over garbage, they are not properly cleaning it, they are not properly collecting the garbage, and that situation becoming worse and worse. Because of that, plague spread through the air, and people who have the disease have to be isolated. Means what happened? Because of this garbage, the dirty smell is come from that garbage, and that area become more and more worse, and so the disease spread out. Which disease? Plague. And in Surat, several people lost their lives, and over 3 lakh deserted the city. Deserted means they are moved out from that city, and many people lost their lives. The scare of the plague ensured that the municipal corporation completely cleaned up the city, and that makes the municipal corporation also very sharpfully or very helpful, that they should also make that situation to be get under control. And Surat continues to remain one of the cleanest cities in India. As you know that on the first position the Chandigarh is there, and now the second position is for Surat. Means municipal corporation also aware of it. They have seen how the people lost the lives, how the peoples are deserted from the city because of garbage, because of little problem. That problem becomes more and more. It spread out to whole city of Surat, and they understand the situation and they control over it, and now the city becomes more and more clean to each and every locality of the Surat. Do you know when and how often garbage gets collected in your neighborhood? Do you think it is the same for all neighborhoods of the city? Why not? You can discuss about this with your friend. So we can understand that how the problems get discussed and how you can use the different ideas to make the city clean and beautiful. Thank you.